Today we're going to do an experiment with an element called magnesium. It is a metal. We're going to do a reaction and seem like me and it.
Okay.
Today we're going to have our first lab-like exercise. It's going to be the reaction of the element magnesium with the element oxygen. Oxygen is going to be provided from the atmosphere. And magnesium, I will show you an example of it in just a second. I'm going to draw out the chemical reaction. Magnesium is solid. We're going to react it with oxygen, which is a gas. And what I want you to do is predict what the compound that will be formed from the reaction of these two elements. Okay? We are then going to take a look at that chemical reaction, and I want you to describe what you see as well as give some examples of what the chemical reaction is doing. For example, is the reaction exothermic? Meaning, is there energy or heat coming off the reaction based on your observation? Or is it requiring energy? In addition to determining what the compound is that's formed, I would also like you to predict, based on the amount of magnesium, whether the mass of the compound that's formed is greater than or equal to or less than the original mass of the magnesium reacted. I'm wearing goggles because this is a chemical reaction. We are going to react magnesium. You can see that this is magnesium. Its particular form is magnesium ribbon. I've shined up a piece of it here, and I'm going to ignite this magnesium ribbon, basically increase its temperature so that it will actually react with the atmosphere. And you'll notice something very apparent. This chemical reaction is proceeding once we've ignited it on its own. Did cool down a little bit there. Notice what's in this dish here. I'm going to ignite it one more time. Now the product here is no longer metallic like the original. Here's a slight bit of the original, okay, which, as you could see, was metallic in luster and also quite malleable, bendable. You see right here, it's easily bendable. And the remaining product after the reaction with oxygen is quite crunchy. So include that in your observations. Include your prediction of what the compound is. And good luck on your first lab-like exercise.